I'm going to tell you right now, this could be a very blunt video. I'm kind of going to be ranting. I'm kind of going to be complaining. The other day, my wife came home. She was hanging out with a good friend of ours. That friend said to her, "Oh, your ring is beautiful. I love it." Now, I've shown you guys my wife's wedding ring in the past, and I've spoken to you guys about it. You deserve a diamond. Did you know that? Don't get anything other than a diamond, because if it's not a diamond, it's not worth it. How many times have you guys heard that? And that friend said, "Oh, you deserve a diamond," when she found out that my wife's wedding ring is Moissanite. Right, now, I've shown you guys my wife's wedding ring. That thing is drop dead gorgeous. It is so gorgeous that my wife can't even wear it wherever she goes. She has to really think about, should I wear this? Can I wear it? Is it a good idea to wear it? Because it is so beautiful and stunning and eye-catching that you really might just get robbed. So you have to be very careful about where you wear your stuff. So her friend saw it and found out that it was Moissanite. And once she found out it was Moissanite, I don't know how, I'm going to be honest, I don't know how my wife described what it was, because my wife isn't a gemologist. She doesn't do a YouTube channel like this. She's not into jewelry the way I am. But my wife told her it was Moissanite, and the friend was like, "Oh, well, you deserve a diamond." Listen. Let me talk about this for a minute, because this is a huge problem in society. You can love diamonds, you can hate diamonds, you can love Moissanite, you can hate Moissanite, you can love a whole bunch, you can love rubies, you can love all the different gemstones that are out there. But at the end of the day, do you deserve a diamond? I think the real question should be, does a diamond deserve you? See, Moissanite is not a diamond, and it's proudly not a diamond. You might have people out there who see Moissanite might say, "Oh, Moissanite is a fake diamond." Guys, I've said this a million times. I'm going to keep saying it. Moissanite is its own gemstone. If you want something gorgeous for a fraction of the cost, you can buy CZ or you can buy Moissanite if you don't want to spend that money on a diamond. Is Moissanite trying to be a diamond? It is not. It is not trying to be anything other than what it already is. It's a Moissanite. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous gemstone. It is a gemstone that will save you tons of money if you want the look of a diamond, but amplified by like 1,000,000 times. Because when you compare Moissanite to a diamond, I've done some videos on this in the past, when you compare the two, they do not look the same. They look similar in some ways because they're sparkly and stuff like that, but if you know what you're looking at, you are not going to confuse the two. Let me show you something right now. You see this gorgeous Cuban link chain that I have right here? This is a Moissanite Cuban link chain. Do you see the sparkles? I'll have some B-roll because the lighting, it doesn't always do justice to the beautiful things I'm showing you guys on camera. I got this from Harlem Bling, okay? This is, I believe, an 8-inch Cuban link bracelet. I wanted it in Moissanite because it is gorgeous. Now, if I wanted to buy this in diamond, do you have any idea what I would have to sell in order to be able to afford this? Forget it. I'd be spending so much money. But even more than that, I don't believe I would be getting as top of a quality, because these are all extremely, extremely high quality Moissanite stones, and they will shimmer differently than a diamond will. Moissanite and diamonds are two separate stones. Just as an example, this is a great idea of what you can expect when you look at Moissanite. You are getting almost the same amount of hardness as a diamond. You are getting more shine and more glitter and more refraction than a diamond. You are getting more. The only thing you're not getting is the 0.5% less hardness. And come on, guys, listen, diamonds scratch. Diamonds scratch, diamonds break. They do it all the time. You can crack a diamond almost just as easily as you're going to crack a Moissanite. The only difference is if you want to replace a Moissanite, you can just go ahead and buy another one. When I hear things like, "Oh, somebody's getting married and now all of a sudden, oh, well, you deserve a diamond, you deserve it," you're talking out of ignorance. With all due respect, you're talking out of ignorance. People who are like 25, 26 years old, young people, are still becoming ingrained with the idea that diamonds are king. Diamonds are the best. If you don't have a diamond, you have nothing. If you don't have diamond, you have a fake diamond. Listen, man, people have been brainwashed over years and years and years.
Unless this whole of society could be duped to some degree or another.
Now, am I telling you that your diamonds are no good? I am not telling you that. If you love diamonds, No problem. But what I am telling you is that diamonds don't make or break who you are. Over the years, people have equated diamonds with luxury and top of the line, high class. It's brainwashing. Brainwashing. You're spending thousands upon thousands on diamonds when you can get another beautiful gemstone for a fraction of the cost. And guess what? People don't even know the difference because so many people are not educated. So many people don't even know what moissanite is. The diamond industry has done such a good job at brainwashing people into making them think that you must have a diamond, because if you don't have a diamond, you have garbage. Get out of here, man. I don't want to hear it. I love my wife's friend. I think she's great. But at the end of the day, making an ignorant statement like you deserve a diamond is nothing but ignorant. This is someone who doesn't know jewelry from a hole in the wall. She doesn't know anything about jewelry. She barely knows the difference between gold and silver. But somehow she knows in her brain that, oh, diamonds, diamonds, you deserve a diamond. I got no problem if you hate moissanite, love moissanite, hate diamonds, love diamonds. I don't care. I love everything. I bought diamonds. I bought moissanite. I wear both. It is what it is. At the end of the day, I'm telling you right now, if you think that diamonds are better than moissanite, better, meaning like at a higher level of class than moissanite, you are mistaken, my friend. You're looking at two different rocks.
Moissanite is its own gemstone. It's a different stone. This is the real deal. This is a real stone. There's nothing fake about moissanite jewelry.
Two completely different rocks. You can't compare the two. One is going to give you more in some areas than the other. And one is going to cost a heck of a lot more than the other. But at the end of the day, if I show you a gorgeous piece like this, I think this is like 12, 13 millimeters, a gorgeous piece like this, you're going to think it's diamonds all the way. That's what you're going to do. You're going to think it's diamonds. You're not going to know. You're going to have no idea. And who's going to be walking around testing your stuff? Who's going to be looking at it under a light? Nobody. Nobody. So don't ever let anyone tell you that you deserve a diamond. Don't. Because in my opinion, well, this is just personal. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. When someone says you deserve a diamond, that means to me, they're actually telling you that you're worthless. Diamonds are overpriced, guys. They're overpriced. And they are not nearly as rare as what people think. Buy a diamond for retail value and then try to sell it for retail value. Go ahead. See how much you get back for it. They're not investments, guys. Jewelry are not investments. So saying that you deserve a diamond isn't really saying much when you really look at the logic behind the purchase. Can you love diamonds? Of course you can. Can you cherish them? Can you be proud of what your hard-earned money has bought? Of course you can. I'm not putting down people who love diamonds, but be an educated buyer. Don't say things like, you deserve a diamond, unless you're selling diamonds, because then you can say that all day because you want somebody to buy your product. But to say you deserve a diamond when you have no clue what you're talking about, what you're looking at, if my wife didn't tell her that that ring was moissanite, she would have thought it was a diamond. Of course she would have. Because that's what people do. That's what people who are uneducated do. They assume it's a diamond because the diamond industry has burrowed into your brain that diamonds are king and those are the only things that exist. Everything else is garbage. Sorry guys, moissanite is the wave of the future. You can agree with me or not. I'm not trying to put you down if you love diamonds. Keep that in mind. I've purchased diamonds with my own hard-earned money. So I can tell you what a diamond looks like, what a moissanite looks like, and I can give you a real-life comparison and show you why you shouldn't really care whether or not it's a diamond or not. You also have consumers out there who are so bent on, oh, lab-grown diamonds aren't real diamonds. Guys, they're the same thing.
Unless this whole of society could be duped to some degree or another.
They're just not made in the earth. When you buy a diamond, you're making an emotional decision. Does that make sense? Does it make sense to really spend your hard-earned money solely based on an emotional decision? You're going to be throwing your money out the window. You might as well burn your money in front of your face. You need to make logical decisions, guys. Now, I'm not telling you what to do, how to live your life. At the end of the day, jewelry in itself is emotional, right? We're wearing stuff because we want people to look at us and be like, wow, that's amazing. Wow, you got a lot of money. Wow, you look fantastic. That's why we're wearing jewelry. We want attention. So in itself, that's emotion. But I also recommend making a logical decision. Should you have to spend thousands upon thousands upon thousands of dollars of your hard-earned money when you can get more out of the purchase when you can just spend a couple of hundred? Come on, think about it. My wife's ring is so gorgeous that she has to not wear it. There's no way that a diamond would even be compared to my wife's ring if you saw them under a nice light. Even without the light. Across the street, people are looking at my wife's wedding ring. And I can tell you from firsthand experience, if it was a diamond, she would not be getting all those looks. You guys can make your own choice, but don't ever let someone tell you that you must have a diamond because you're worth a diamond, because that is a statement of ignorance. Diamonds, in themselves, are cash grabs. People are taking your money that you will never be able to recuperate from selling your jewelry. You will never make more money on selling a diamond than what you purchased it for. Or you can go ahead and have moissanite. You can have a gorgeous ring, bracelet, necklace on your finger. I mean, look at this thing. Look at this. It is absolutely beautiful. Let me get my wife's wedding ring. Take a look at this. Do you guys have any idea, unless you're educated, whether this is a diamond or not? Again, I've made another video talking about my wife's ring. This is absolutely stunning. Stunning. So don't ever let anyone tell you that you deserve a diamond, because if they say that, they don't know what they're talking about. They have no clue. And that statement in itself just shows the ignorance of the buyer. This is a gorgeous moissanite stone, and it cost only a few $1,000s. If this was a diamond, you'd have to sell your house. Forget it. What do you guys think in the comments? Let me know your opinions. I'm not trying to insult anybody who loves diamonds. I'm trying to educate and promote logic. Take a look at this bracelet. Take a look at this ring. Tell me that these aren't good enough. Personally, if someone were to tell me that I deserve a diamond, I would be grouping myself in with the idea that diamonds are actually kind of a ripoff, to be honest with you. And that would make me feel like garbage. But that's just my personal opinion. What do you guys think in the comments? Diamonds, moissanite, both? Do they each have a place? What are your thoughts? Anyway, guys, be safe. Talk soon. Catch you all at the next video.